Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk you through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this absolutely stunning 435D M Sport Convertible, presented in the Snapper Ox Blue. And alongside that, of course, we fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. It also features the very nice 19-inch 704M alloy wheels finished in the bi-colour jet black. Sitting behind those wheels, you will see there that it has got the M Sport Plus Pack brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with a wide array of optional extras, one of those being the M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car, you'll see the facelifted headlights, and of course I'll point out the rest of the options as we go around the car. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Now, of course, thanks to me having the roof currently down on the car, you will be able to see that lovely Oyster Dakota leather, which we're going to go ahead and take a close-up look at very shortly. Another nice optional extra on this car is the comfort access package, so I can simply walk up to the car, have the key on my person and access the car keyless. And of course, it's always a very useful option for should your hands be full. The interior is not only that very nice colour, it also comes with electric movement and memory for drivers, and the passenger side has the electric movement and of course is heated. We've also got the convertible comfort package, so we get the air collar, we have heated front seats along with a heated M Sport steering wheel. It is of course that lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We also have the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Your rear seat configuration still consists of the very nice Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, a central folding armrest and the storage tray and drinks holder. Sitting behind the rear seats in the storage compartment is the wind deflector. Now, of course, this is designed to help deflect some of the wind turbulence that can be experienced at higher speeds when the roof is down on any convertible, and is a very nice option to behold on any of the convertible BMW range. Moving at the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser, and of course, again, the very nice facelifted rear lights. And of course, being the 435D, you get that fantastic X-Drive four-wheel drive system. Opening up the boot, of course, always a tipping point on any convertible car is the boot space. However, BMW do think of everything. Providing this button allows us to lift the roof out of the storage compartment to gain access to our full luggage compartment, which we're going to show you just in a second. So as soon as the roof is out of there, we lift the storage tray open, and there you can see you have got a very usable, very nicely sized boot. And to simply reverse that, we pop that back down and the roof will fold neatly back away. Of course, this is designed so that we don't have to put the roof all the way back up to gain access to our full luggage capacity. So a nice feature there. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera, and again, we'll have a look at that shortly. Down to the other side of the car, very nicely presented. That Snapper Ox Blue really does work very well with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. And again, those alloy wheels standing out very nicely. Onto the interior itself, I'm going to first of all go ahead and take a seat. And I'm going to begin by showing you the lovely digital cockpit it's also equipped with. With the digital cockpit, it does of course mean we can change the view of that, which again I'll show for you in just a second. We've got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. And we've also got the air collar, which I've mentioned. So down here, 2 little switches to activate these, and then we'll get a nice warm draft of air coming through onto our necks. And also, as I mentioned, I'll quickly get the roof to come up so I can show you that towards the end of the video, what the car looks like with the roof all the way closed. So at the moment, I've just got the car in its comfort setting. So of course we get a fairly normal looking display. However, should I take the revs up, you'll see that the numbers begin to get larger thanks to that digital cockpit. Although it's only a small touch, it can make that little bit of a difference to your interior experience. And as soon as I've got my hand free, there we go. I can change the car into sport, and again we get a different display there, including a very large digital speedo. Back over to the professional wide navigation and media screen. Of course, you get satellite navigation, and we also get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, DAB, CD, DVD, USB, and so on. Down here we've also got Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, of course. Just around here, as I mentioned, we've also got the heated steering wheel option thanks to that convertible comfort package. Always a very nice option to have. And of course, not forgetting the wonderful rear facing reversing camera. Alongside another interior option that this car has is the head-up display. So as you can see there, sometimes a little bit difficult to get through to come on camera. We've not only got our current speed displayed, it'll also show the actual road speed sign awareness on here as well. So whatever road you are on, it will display that speed for as well. So there is a walk around video of the stunning 435D M Sport Convertible. I'll just quickly show you what the car looks like with the roof closed. But hopefully guys, you found the walk around video useful. For further information, check below in the description where I'll link our website along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car as well. So thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we hope to see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.